Hey, in this video, I want to show you how you can build a clean, simple, and professional landing page for your e-commerce brand or your services so you can share with your customers or clients. So I created this part by recording a section of a video from the Nike website, and you can use a Chrome extension for that. And also I did the same for this part. So we have two columns here. This is one column, this is another column. And I embedded two GIFs here. I found this from the actual Giphy website. I created two callouts. This is one callout and this is another callout. And put page one heading in each. And one is for athletes and one is for shoes. Then the next section is the menu section. The cool thing about Notion, you can link text to any URL. So instead of using buttons here, I use H1 headings and then link them to nike.com/whatever the URL is. And so this way you can create a bigger text, because if you use the button in Notion, it's a bit tiny. It wouldn't have the same impact, in my opinion. And on the bottom section, I created three toggle headings. So this is H2 headings, the toggle headings. So you can click and open these toggle headings and learn more about that section. I added these sections. This could be other sections that you can link to your product pages, websites, or your services. And this is how it looks. On the top, there's the GIF that I shared and recorded from the website, and the two section for example, athletes and shoes. And also if I click on new here, it takes me to the Nike website. And the bottom section, I added these toggle headings so you can put whatever you want for your business, and then also a history section that I copied from Wikipedia. I hope this helps. You can create clean, simple landing pages within minutes in Notion. If you have any questions, let me know.